The Ardo Alyssa has an automatic power pumping program which mimics a baby cluster feeding to increase supply at the click of a button.
What is power pumping? It is based on a baby cluster feeding at the breast. This is when a baby has lots of feeds spaced closely together. Power pumping mimics this pattern, which helps to increase milk supply. Power pumping may help trigger more letdowns.
Power pumping is recommended by lactation consultants and healthcare professionals to increase supply.
To use the power pumping feature, first switch on the Ardo Alyssa. Then tap the automatic power pumping button to start your 1-hour program. The power pumping feature can be controlled on the My Ardo app or on the pump itself.
The program consists of 20 minutes pumping, 10-minute pause, 10 minutes pumping, another 10-minute pause, and finally 10 minutes pumping.
The power pumping button will light up to show which phase you are in. You can also see a live countdown of each phase.
At the end of each pumping interval, the breast pump beeps and the 10-minute pause period begins.
Then at the end of the pause, the breast pump beeps again. You then need to activate the power pumping again by pressing the power pumping button to continue the program. During pauses, you might want to grab a snack, watch some TV or relax. When power pumping, if possible, double pump. It may also help to use a special pumping bra, or you can make one yourself with an old bra.
The pumping phases and pauses are predefined, which helps simplify the process, but you can adjust the vacuum or cycle settings at any time during the stimulation or expressing modes to your comfort.
Power pumping can help in any situation where you may need to increase milk supply. For example, latching issues, a premature baby, medical complications, supply dips.
You may do this once a day to help increase supply. Power pumping is generally a short-term measure. It may take a few days or more to notice an increase in supply. Click the link below if you want to learn more.